In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect 48 Super to PSU. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be giving instructions on how to properly use the connectors to set up your 48 Super and connect it to your PSU. Now, the very first thing that I want to make clear is that you should never mix and match cables from different manufacturers. You should only use the cables provided with your RTX 4080 Super. Usually this is going to be an adapter like this, and you should only use the cables provided by your PSU. So never use another PSU's cables into the one that you currently have on your PC. Mix in cables can lead to problems, so keep that in mind. The very first thing that you will notice is that it uses a 16-pin power cable, something like this. It is going to be a single port, and usually they will provide you with this cable. Then all that you have to do is use the provided cable, which looks something like this, to bridge the connection between your PSU and your 4080 Super. So you plug this end into the PSU like this. You connect the 16-pin plug of the NVIDIA power connector adapter to the power receptacle on the top of the 48 Super. Make sure that it is included fully tight, and once it is plugged in, you just use cables provided by your PSU on each of these ports. You will usually need 3 PCIe cables. They look like this, as you can see. And as long as you use the cables provided by your PSU manufacturer, you will be able to get this done. So plug 3 cables into your PSU, plug the other ends into these ports on the adapter provided by NVIDIA, and you will be able to establish this connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect 48 Super to PSU. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.